Hi everybody, it's RetroYuuki once again. Welcome to the Roundup show for March 11, 2022. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the content. If you have, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more. And speaking of subscribing to the channel, I want to say thank you to everybody who has been doing that for both channels, RetroYuuki and Edgy Gamer. You guys are awesome Emerald Hunters. For tonight, for this week, we have Mario. Tonight at 9:15 we have the part 2 of the game. Part 3 is on Saturday 9 at 9, and in the between tomorrow at 5:15 we're going to feature Apex Legends with the wheel of Apex. We're going to have a wheel for you. I'm going to spin it, and that will determine which legend I'm going to use. So Mirage, Bangalore, all that good stuff. So that's going to be tomorrow. Facecam will be enabled. Voice mods will be disabled for tomorrow. Okay, so just for right now, I'm going to experiment with this Facecam with no voice mods on the board. But voice mods and characters will be back next in a few weeks, so get ready for that. As far as next week is concerned, we have Resident Evil 4 week on the Edgy Gamer, this channel, and Facebook. So if you follow me on Facebook, on RetroYuuki, you're going to get all three. You're going to get Resident Evil as well. Also next week, we have Tuesday, VR Chat Tuesdays at 5:15. So that is for this week and next week. As far as the rest of the content is concerned, we have the VR Chat Tuesdays every Tuesday at 5:15 as of this moment. The Emerald Hunters trailer has been delayed for a little bit, and we're working on rehearsal tomorrow. We're gonna record soon, hopefully very soon, and then we'll be good to go. Reaction videos, I'll talk about it just in a moment. I will talk about more Edgy Gamer material. Go ahead and talk about the community polls. Let's first talk about with the experiment. Take a look at this. And how are you guys enjoying the experiment of the Edgy Gamer? And so far, you guys have been enjoying the content. So, we want more. You want more, and I'm gonna give you more. And next poll I want to talk about is the VTubing. So you may be wondering what this is. So what it is, it's a character model, but instead of me showing myself on the screen, there's gonna be a character model on the screen. If I move, the character model move. If I shoot a 3-pointer, then the character model will shoot a 3-pointer, and so on. So that's what's gonna happen. But looks like it's split down the middle. So we'll see what this does later on. Now remember, this is an experiment. Next poll I want to talk about is this one right here. What type of content what else do you guys want? Do you guys want Would You Rather and board games? So I'm going to provide more of those when the time comes. Most likely summer season though. The reaction videos. Here's the one I want to talk about. Should I make a reaction channel for the characters? Meaning Francis the Fox, Francis the Hedgehog, Roots the Bat, Amy Rose. And so far you said yes. So far you want reaction channel. I'm going to tell you guys, we're going to add more than just VR chat. We are going to add more than just Shadina. We're going to add more. Okay, it's a whole reaction channel. So it does not have to just be Shadina or VR chat or something. I want you guys to experience more things. Okay? What types of games do you want to see on the Edgy Gamer? And so far you guys said more of everything. Because of Apex Legends taking the lead, because I have all of these, like all of the above, This one technically means everything. So you guys want everything. You want Apex Legends, Halo Infinite, scary games, and more scary games. So I'm going to honor that poll and put everything on that area. What do you guys think of the experiment so far? Looks like you guys enjoyed the experiment so far. So I'm going to continue with the Edgy Gamer channel. I am going to expand it a little bit though, besides the mature rated games, because of the scary games and the indie games that are scary, and those are usually rated T, not rated M. I'm going to make an exception for those types of games. Tony Hawk gets to be featured on that channel as well because of his games. The Tony Hawk game, like the Underground or Underground 2, those are going to be coming. Okay, that's going to be coming on that channel. As far as the other poll here, now this one is more experimental. So you may have noticed that we have a special guest during our streams named Dion. And Dion and I are planning to play some games with you. And most likely it's going to be Roblox. Now, before we rush into Roblox, I want to try something out here. I'm going to do an experimental series. This is just me and the game. How I play and all that good stuff. I want to see what you guys think before I start going all out on Roblox, because I don't want to rush into it. Okay, so that is an experimental. But you have seen Minecraft on my channel recently, but it's been a few months. The last time I did Minecraft for you guys is that we tried to build Sonic a house. Okay, if you guys remember that far back. So we're gonna see where this goes, this experiment goes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to upload a random Roblox game. Because how it works is a community. So Roblox is a community game. So I'm going to randomly just put up a game in there. Then we're going to see what you guys think. If you guys say yes, then I'm going to bring Dion into a game. Then, if you guys say yes to that, then we're doing it. Then it's official. But if at any time you say no, then it's off the board. For the moment, okay? I'm not going to completely kill the idea, because I might do it in the summer. But as far as like the fall season, then I'm going to take it off the board. Excuse me, the spring season, excuse me. Then it's off the board for the spring season. I'm most likely going to redo this again in the summer. I just want to see where this experiment goes for Roblox before I put it up there as a series. Because I don't want to start, oh, all of a sudden, I'm a Roblox guy. Or all of a sudden, I'm a Halo guy. Or all of a sudden, I'm a Minecraft guy. No, I don't want that. Okay? Because I want to see where these experiments go. That's why I do these experiments for you guys. Okay, and there's another part I want to talk about, game development. Like the tutorials and stuff. And ROM hacks. ROM hacks are coming back, so I'm not gonna play it. But game development material, I do want to show the poll here, and where do you guys want to see the videos? So you guys want to see them here. I will tell you which ones I'm going to bring over. Let me go over to that channel right now, so I can show you guys what I'm referring to. So you may have remembered I have a game development channel called RetroYuuki Game Dev. Now it's been a while since I uploaded here, but this is the type of content you're looking at. The game of developing, the tutorials, how to use RPG Maker MV and all that good stuff. But it's been a while since I uploaded some stuff. The last time I uploaded something was for the tutorial zone. and that was on January 20th, 2022. Because I actually added the tutorial zone. So as you guys can see here. So I'm gonna bring the development blog of my game to the main channel. As far as tutorials are concerned, it's a little iffy because I want to see where this goes. Do you guys want want the tutorial series? Because I want to see where this goes. So we did a tutorial series on the plugin. All right, on the Yanfly. So I want to see where this goes as well. But as you guys can see, I haven't uploaded much unless I really have to for game development purposes. Because the latest one was the tutorial build. Not tutorial build, but tutorial center. Or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so that's the roundup for right now. In terms of like the rest of the month, like I'm going to again experiment with Roblox. We're gonna have a Resident Evil 4 week next week. And that's about it, yo. We'll see you guys at 9 for Mario. Until then, we'll see you guys soon and enjoy.